dos, tres. ¡Salud!
There's pen black girls in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Perm ting braids got mini afro.
And he said there's pink black girls, not area code. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just mood boards. My hair looks a bit different today, so don't touch my hair.
Like new hair, who this old black.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feel the girl, I no go feel the girl is out. I'm a mind that's super dark. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need you, another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a keep a deep bong bong bong. Your body kakara, make a bong 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 on a make it. Kilo fe omo te chogade. Fine fine oh bagate. Watch your love for like it. Why not more te? Your body chakare. Boshe ready yeah imade. Tabado sile kilo fe.
Y'all, this is the doors to our room.
Oh, give me that. Okay, cut tomatoes. You want tomatoes too? Nah, I don't fuck with no tomatoes.
Y'all, okay, hold on. I don't want to get copyrighted. Okay, y'all, so this is the little outfit of the, well, not for the night. We're gonna go to the pool. So I got these green shades on that I showed you guys earlier. Hopefully y'all can hear me. From Amazon, I'll link them down below. And I got this mesh top from H&M, bikini from Icon Swim, and then I have mismatched bottoms as well. So yeah.
Oh, no. It's full of that.
Hello. Come
It's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, they can't fuck with me. Just like the girl, I'm everywhere. How you say it? Me. I'm trying to fuck a nigga. Say we brought a brain on cars. I wanna smoke.
1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Oh, the fair is an hour long
Yeah.
to go to Tulum?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a different. One is 30.
Name Rio.
Babe, come here. That's Rio?
Rio.
Grio? Is this girl?
No, boy.
Boy? The boy too?
Yeah.
They all boys?
Oh, there's a boy.
All boys.
The communist is a...
Here, hold these. I'm
Oh,
scared.
y'all boys.
Okay,
He's a
hold these.
famous.
Okay, dude, come on. Cause I'm scared.
No. Let's
Oh!
here. Let's here.
Wait a minute now.
Start backing up.
You have to show your horse. Who's the boss? I'm the boss.
I'm the boss too, but I don't want to tap him.
Go rub
Oh, no. He didn't already got him rowdy.
it. Go rub it.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm getting scared.
Come on.
Okay, wait.
This way.
This one?
Yeah.
You said
You have to say other way. You have to show the horse who's the boss.
Okay.
I'm the boss.
He's cute. Aw. You said Rio? Oh, excuse me.
Rio.
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 Grullo.
Rio. Rio?
Grullo.
I got it.
You got Vic to rent one of those?
Say it again. What? Say it again.
How much to rent a
Look at her. You having fun up there?
Cantador.
Contador.
Cantador.
Cantador.
Hasta se tuvieron miedo. O sea, nada más voy a llevar a dos nada más, pero me dieron $20 por lo que ibas a traer tú.
I'm ready. Texas everywhere.
When I pull up,
jungle. COZUMEL.
Alright guys, get a little bit here, get a little bit here.
It's bad enough you should.
Look at this environment. This is the middle jungle in COZUMEL. This is not like in Brazil. Brazil have like 60-meter tall trees. Here is like 20, 15. So that's why they call it middle jungle. Yeah. So in that time, remember, the COZUMEL Island is a very tiny island, but it's like in Brazil. Brazil have like 60-meter tall trees. Here is like 20, 15. So that's why they call it middle jungle. Yeah. So in that time, remember, the COZUMEL Island is a very tiny island, but it's located in one of the most principal areas in the whole Mayan territory, all right? Main goddess, do you understand? Main goddess in the Mayan history, Papa Mama, Itzama, and Ischel.
Which is the difference between like organic tequila and commercial tequila? Well, in the process, the organic tequila, we don't add sugar cane and no chemicals. We produce 10,000 bottles of tequila by year. We don't export because we do the process like old times. Don Julio or Patron produce million bottles of tequila by year. So they have to, you know, add sugar cane, chemicals, for can be fast the process. We recommend you this tequila for you.
Arriba.
Al centro.
Al centro.
Pa adentro.
Salud.
Salud.
Reposado.
11 months in the barrel age.
Touch my bottle.
Anejo. 3 years in the barrel age. Hey, I have Don Julio for you. Or
Oh, that's what this setup is. I ain't had that already.
Salud.
Salud.
Coconut.
I want that sexy cream.
Yeah, the sexy. Oh, sorry. The sexy cream, the sexy. I have a special toast for this.
Okay, I got one too.
You have to. Hey, I'm not chicken.
I'm not chicken.
I'm not shy.
I'm not shy.
I drink Kama Sutra.
I drink Kama Sutra.
Coochie coochie all night.
And coochie coochie all night. Salud. Salud.
Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love?
Hold on. Go ahead.
Salud.
Too many twists and turns, twists and turns. Lot of way twists and turns, twists and turns. Baby, come here, I too fry, I get burned. Lot of way twists and turns, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You want and tease. Come on.
Perfect, thank you.
Do we need to sign another one?
She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. go nowhere. Yeah.
Last day, and it's raining.
The guy I twist and turn.